back at the Just Sawdust workshop. I just finished putting all the C profiles around the van. That's for our awnings that you can, make in. They just slide in. I think it's called keder profile. Well, that's what they call it in Germany, but it's on every caravan, and we've got two awnings that should fit in there, and I've made it all around the van, so left, right and the back. And for the back we've got a 2m40 one, and on the side we've got a 3m one, and they could overlap and then have like an L-shaped awning if we want to. I also put one on the driver's side, which normally, well, you wouldn't have an awning, and we don't have one extra, so but depending on where the sun is coming from and how you have to park, maybe sometimes it's nice to have an awning on that side. You never know. So, and it's nice to see that the profile around the van roof is the same everywhere. So that's done. Now I'm going to put in some little lights. We're not using lights that are on a battery, just battery operated little LED lights. They run like weeks on a few batteries, and it's nice that they are independent from the battery that you have for all the other equipment. So, and now there are the batteries in it that came with it, but I do have some rechargeable little batteries, so you could always, charge batteries and put them in there. So that's what we're going to do now, and put some other shelves on, and then I guess the inside of the van should be ready on the living part of it. And then I think we're going out for a trip to see what else we need to do, and whether we need a DC to DC charger for the battery. It's mostly sunny in Portugal, so, and we're not bad weather campers, so but then again, if you put your car in the shade because it's too hot, then of course the solar panels won't work. So we just have to figure out, maybe we need portable solar panels, like the one you can flip open and put somewhere, or a DC to DC charger to charge it while driving. Who knows, but we'll just have to find that out and make like a week or 10 days on the road here in Portugal and see what we need to change, what we need extra, or come to the conclusion that there are things in there that we actually don't need. Who knows? But first let's put in some lights. So I guess that's it. Put all the cords so that nothing can fall out. Put some other shelves on that we found at Lidl's, which look nice in the car. Yeah, I'm going to fill up the water tanks, and we put an old cool box in that we got, and I tried it out. It's 47 watts. So yeah, if there's enough sunshine during the day, then that cool box can run, and then with the cool elements in it, if you put it off at night, because it's making a bit of a humming sound, so that's not so nice, but for now it will work. Maybe in the future when we need it we will get another one, but like I said, we're gonna make a little trip just to figure out what we need and what we don't need. I'm gonna fill up the water tanks, then put some clothes in and some food in the things, and then we're just gonna drive off. The rear camera is now upside down, well, the right side down, so it works, and I've just found out how to put a card in and even record all three cameras at the same time, so that's nice. But on the front is just a mess, but we'll just clean for now and then see what we want, because I got to make a stand for a little tablet that we use as you know, for the GPS, but also for the music and for hopefully the internet. You know, we gotta buy a card for the router and then see whether that works. I hope so, because Portugal has pretty good 4G coverage in the whole country, so I hope that even when we drive we can have internet access, and you can buy a Vodafone card for €1 a day, so 30 euros for a card, and it will work a month, unlimited access to internet. So yeah, let's hope that will work. So the next video will not be something about making in this van, building in this van. It will be about using it, I hope. So yeah, I'm going to clean up the workshop, clean up a bit in here, and then drive off and see how everything works. And then when we get back, we'll take care of the cabin, of the front, and of course of the outside, because we did buy paint for the outside, but it's just not the time right now to do that. So I hope you like this video series on how we converted the van, and remembering that, you know, I can take the bed out, I can take the kitchen out, and then it's a completely open van. Take the curtains out because they're with Velcro, and then it's just a van to transport stuff still. Yeah, bed looks nice. Thank you Kevin and Kate for this beautiful Portuguese bedspread. It's really nice, and it really fits in the van with the colors, and yeah, it's a bit different than the other people do. You know, we got this greenish, grey, blue color that Miriam mixed for the paint, and then we went on from there. So the curtains are a bit, it's all a bit different, nothing white or cream or so, and put some lights everywhere, which functioning well. So we'll see. We're gonna take this on a trip, and we'll see you in the next video at the logo.